Hello friends, today we'll discuss a new topic. Today we'll start with a new topic. The name of that chapter is filtration. Now first we'll go through the definition of the filtration. What do you mean by the filtration? Now filtration, it is defined as the process of separation of the solids from a fluid by passing through the same through a porous medium that retains the solids but allows the fluid to pass through. So what is filtration? It is nothing but a process in which the solids are going to separate out from the fluid through a filtration media. By using a filtration media, we are separating the solids from liquid. That process, it is known as filtration. Now the same method is there, that is called as a clarification. But what is the basic difference between the filtration and the clarification? Now what is clarification? Here also we are going to separate the solids from the liquid, but the concentration of the solid, it should not extend 1% or up to 5%. 5% of the slurry we can what we can say, but generally not exceeding 1%. When the solid is present in the liquid, it is less than 1%, then that process of separation of the solid from the liquid, it is called as the clarification. So this is the basic difference between the filtration and the clarification. Now you can see this diagram here. Now you can see this is a funnel. In this the filter medium is placed. This is a filter medium, right? And we are introducing the feed. Feed means what? It is nothing but a suspension that is called as a slurry. Now what is slurry? Slurry, it is the suspension which we have to filter. Slurry, it is a suspension which we have to filter or which is to be filtered. That is called as a slurry. Means suspension of solid and liquid. It is called as a slurry. Then filter medium. You can see here, this is a filter medium. Filter medium, it is what? It is a porous medium which is used to separate the solid from the liquid. Means the porous medium used to retain the solid. On this porous medium, the solid is going to retain and the liquid is going to pass through that filter medium. That is called as a filter medium. Third one, it is a filter cake. Now you can see filter cake. Now this is a filter cake. Filter cake means what? That is accumulated solids on the filter medium. Now see here, the slurry is going to pass through the filter medium, and on this filter medium the solid is going to accumulate. That is called as a filter cake. जैसे हम लोग चाय को filter करते हैं. So on that sieve, the what we can say, जो भी चाय की ये है स्लरी है वो अक्यूमुलेट हो जाती है. चाय की जो पत्ती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ फिल्टर केक. सो दैट इज अ फिल्टर केक, दैट इज accumulated solids on the filter. And this is a filtrate. What is filtrate? It is nothing but the clear liquid which you are getting after passing through the filter medium. This is called as a filtrate. So these four are the basic terms which are used during the filtration, that is slurry, filter medium, filter cake and the filtrate. Filtrate, it is a clear liquid which is obtained after passing through the filter medium, right? So these are the four basic terminologies. Now this is what a general sequence of process of the filtration. Now see, first what happens, pores of the filter medium, they are smaller than the size of the particles, right? To be separated, it is must कि जो भी filter medium we are using, the pores of that filter medium should be smaller than the solid of the slurry. अगर वो smaller नहीं होंगे, अगर वो larger होंगे तो क्या होगा कि that all the solid is going to pass through the filter medium. So ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. The pores of the filter medium are smaller than the particles to be separate. ठीक है? So this is the first. Then filter medium, generally filter paper हम लोग लेते हैं. It is placed on the support. Support मतलब क्या? either you take a funnel, either you take a mesh, whatever the filter में जो भी सपोर्ट तुम ले सकते हो वो लो, उसके ऊपर फिल्टर पेपर को अटैच कर दो या फिल्टर मीडियम को अटैच करो. देन थ्रू ऑन दैट फिल्टर पेपर और ऑन दैट फिल्टर मीडियम स्लरी इज प्लेस्ड. स्लरी को प्लेस करो. स्लरी प्लेस करने के बाद क्या होगा कि ड्यू टू द प्रेशर क्या होगा, डिफरेंस अक्रॉस द फिल्टर, द लिक्विड फ्लोज थ्रू द फिल्टर मीडियम ड्यू टू द प्रेशर डिफरेंस. जो भी प्रेशर डिफरेंस होगा अक्रॉस द फिल्टर पेपर, तो उससे क्या होगा, फ्लूइड इट फ्लोज थ्रू द फिल्टर मीडियम एंड ग्रेविटी जो है, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स इज गोइंग टू एक्ट ऑन दैट, and due to that gravity the liquid will come out through the filter medium. And the solids, as the solids are having more what you can say particle size or greater particle size than the pores, therefore the solids are going to deposit on the surface of the filter medium, that is called as a filter cake. So this is what a general procedure of the filtration, right? Now what are the applications of the filtration? Applications of filtration, that this filtration it is used for the production of the sterile products. When we are going to prepare the sterile products, that should be filtered through the HEPA filters or the laminar airflow, या फिर membrane filter से we are going to filter it. Then for the production of the bulk drugs की production में भी filtration use होता है. For liquid dosage form also preparation is used, और effluent and waste water treatment में भी filtration processes useful होते हैं. Now what are the mechanisms of the filtration? There are 4 basic mechanisms of the filtration. Now what are the mechanisms? The first mechanism, it is the straining, simple sieving, straining. जैसे हम चाय को फिल्टर करते हैं, that is nothing but a straining, that is called as a straining. Similar to sieving, that is the particles are larger in size and they can't pass through the smaller pore size of the filter medium, that is called as the straining. जैसे चाय हम लोग करते हैं कि जो particles है वो ऊपर रहते हैं, नीचे पूरा लिक्विड चला जाता है. द सेम कि पार्टिकल्स आर ऑफ लार्जर साइज, देयरफॉर दे कैन नॉट पास थ्रू द फिल्टर मीडिया, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द स्ट्रेनिंग. सेकेंड वन इज द impingement. नाउ सी व्हाट इज impingement. Solid having the momentum move along the path of the streaming flow. That solid particles they move along the streaming flow. Streaming flow में move होते हैं लेकिन वो strike होते हैं. They are going to strike on the filter media. फिल्टर मीडियम पे क्या होते हैं, वो स्ट्राइक करते हैं और वो फिर स्ट्राइक करने के बाद वो सॉलिड्स जो है वो फिल्टर मीडियम पे रह जाते हैं. सो दैट सॉलिड्स आर गोइंग टू मूव थ्रू अलोंग विद द लिक्विड. स्ट्रीमिंग फ्लो के साथ वो मूव होते हैं, लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ द गेटिंग स्ट्राइक्ड ऑन द फिल्टर मीडियम दे आर गोइंग टू रिटेन ऑन द फिल्टर मीडियम. इसमें साइज जो है वो पार्टिकल की कम भी हो सकती रह सकती है. Then the entanglement. Entanglement means what? The particles they become entangled, अटक जाते हैं वो in the masses of the fibers. जो भी fibers के cloths हैं या फिर of cloths और very fine hair surface और porous filter media, तो उसके बीच में in that fibers that particles are going to entangle, वो बीच में अटक जाते हैं due to the smaller size of the particle than the porous size. And these solids are retained on the filter media because of the entanglement, that is called as the entanglement. And next, fourth, that are the attractive forces. Now what are attractive forces? You can see here कि solids they are going to retain on the filter media. वो solids जो है वो filter media पे retain होते हैं because of the attractive forces between the particles and the filter medium. फिल्टर मीडियम और पार्टिकल्स इनके बीच में अट्रैक्टिव फोर्सेस जनरेट होते हैं, डेवलप होते हैं, जिसकी वजह से दैट पार्टिकल्स आर गोइंग टू अट्रैक्ट ऑन दैट फिल्टर मीडियम एंड बिकॉज इन सम केस ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फिल्ट्रेशन and they are going to retain on the filter medium, right? So these are the 4 mechanisms of the filtration. Now there are basic 2 types of the filtration, that is the surface filtration and the depth filtration. Now what is the basic difference between the surface and the depth filtration? Now surface filtration, it is also called as a screen filtration, as the name indicates that the pores are of very small size, medium size, and solids are going to what we can say retain on the surface, while in this case depth filtration, slurry penetrates to a point where the diameter of the solid particle it is greater than that of the void or a channel. Again here also the diameter of the particle is greater. Here straining and impingement, these two mechanisms are involved, while here entanglement is involved, that the particles are going to entangle between the fibers of the media. Means particles are of small size. Here the particles are of always it is, and they are of bigger size than the pore size. For these plates with holes or woven sieves are used, and यहाँ पे the solids are retained with a gradient density structure by physical restrictions or by adsorption properties of the medium. These are certain what we can say the difference of this. Efficacy is defined in terms of the mean or maximum pore size. Now you can see here this diagram, by looking the diagram you will get to know what is the surface filtration and the this depth filtration. You can see here all the particle size are of bigger size, right, getting here, and all are accumulate on the filter media, right. But here you can see that the particles are going to entangle between the filter media. See, these particles filter media में अटक गए हैं particles. So in this way this is called as the depth type of the filtration. So this is the basic difference of the filtration mechanism. It works by the this what we can say simple straining, while this works that is of the entanglement. Now see, this is the difference. Surface filtration, the size of the particles retained is slightly higher than that of the mean pore size of the medium. Here the size of the particles retained is much smaller than the pore size of the medium. You can see the basic difference. यहाँ पे particle size हमेशा बड़ी रहती है pore से, और यहाँ पे particle size जो है वो छोटी रहती है than the pore size of the medium. यहाँ पे mechanical strength of the filter paper is less unless it is made up of the stainless steel. अगर stainless steel का है then only the mechanical what we can say strength is good. But here in case of the depth filtration, mechanical strength of the filter medium is always high. Then it has a low capacity surface filtration, while depth filtration has high capacity. The size of the particle retained is more predictable. We can predict it कि the particle size they are retained, it is more predictable, while the size of the particles retained is less predictable as the particle size is very small here. Expensive equipment is expensive because ancillary equipment such as edge clamps it is required. यहाँ पे equipment it is very cheaper because the ancillary equipment it is not required. Ancillary equipments जो है यहाँ पे नहीं चाहिए, यहाँ पे चाहिए. Therefore this equipment is expensive. Example is the cellulose membrane filters, and यहाँ पे ceramic filters or the sintered filters. This is what the basic difference between the surface filtration and the depth filtration, which are the very basic types of the filtration. Now this is about what the basic things of the filtration, that mechanisms of the filtration, then types of the filtration, applications of the filtration we have studied in this lecture. In the next lecture or in the next video we'll discuss about different theories of the filtration and what are the factors which are going to affect the filtration. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.